Tonight, we are taking your questions about car and truck accidents. The phone lines are open. The number is there on your screen. Let's get to a caller. We've got Susan on the line. Hey there, Susan. What is your question tonight?
Hey, Susan.
It's Susie Q, Mr. Bill.
Hey, Susie Q.
How are you? I'm probably one of the dumb idiots that you mentioned earlier. I don't know. My insurance company, I had a side swipe accident on a neighborhood street.
Okay.
And it was my fault, and I wanted to call the police. The guy goes, "No, I got to go to work." He said, "Let's just, get each other's insurance information." Did that. Well, my insurance lady had me take pictures or photos of the damage to my vehicle, and she told me, based off the photos I sent her, that this is what it would cost. The estimate. This is what it would cost. Is that legal? I mean, because I had told her I wanted to get a couple estimates to see what it would cost to get the front fender and the side scrapes fixed on my toes.
Yeah, and it sounds like
she ended up sending me a check because I took too long getting her estimates, I guess. I don't know.
So
is that legal?
Have you cashed the check, sweetheart?
Of course. Well, I didn't. He did. My husband did.
Okay. Well, I mean, yes, it's legal. I mean, they can, they can tell you, as far as, we're going to do this or do that, whether they get an adjuster. They should get an adjuster, but they're not required. They can look at the pictures. And these adjusters a lot of times are good at, looking at damage to see exactly, what kind of damage it is. But again, keep in mind, they're trying to keep the cost down as much as they can. And so, maybe you had $3,500 worth of damage, and they're going to tell you you have $2,700 worth of damage. This happens every day. And so, but if you've already cashed a check, and look, the bottom line is don't worry about it. Is it legal? Yes. But just always know that insurance companies are always trying to get you, whether it be the property damage or the injury part, they're trying to get you to sign for as little as possible, because that's how they make money. That's how, that's how the CEO of one of the big insurance companies here in Alabama last year got a $12 million bonus. They're not making all this money because, out of the goodness of their heart.
Well, and if she hadn't cashed the check, I'm just curious, could she have gone out and got estimates and then shown the insurance company this is what it's actually going to cost?
100%.
Okay.
Yeah.
That would have been the recourse.
No, absolutely. You can go, you can say, hey, take your check and shove it. I'm not taking this. And just remember, you have 2 years from the date of the accident. You can't sit on that check for 3 years and then say, hey, give me more money, because it's not going to work. Your claim is expired at that point, and then really at that point, the check that they originally wrote, they can deny that because you waited too long to either A, settle the case and sign a release, or B, file a lawsuit. So just jump on it in a hurry.